Why get a hospital kit? A hospital kit will allow you to attend site and remedy a vast majority of issues in one visit, saving you time and money on callbacks. What does a hospital kit contain? Your kit will arrive in a box like this. It will have a PCB board with the latest firmware installed. It will have an airbox to flange gasket, an airbox to housing gasket, a pair of electrodes. It's worth noting these are a serviceable item, a transformer, a pump and transducer fitted together, and a condensate bolt-on kit. If you have used any of your items on the hospital kit for warranty work, please contact the technical team and we will replace the item within 24 to 48 hours on weekdays, depending on your location. Either call or email the technical team. The phone number 01480 477 066 or email technical@eogb.co.uk. Once one of our team has confirmed that there is a fault with the item, we will arrange for the part to be sent out. In order for us to book the part out, we would need a few of the following details from yourself: your name, your company name, the boiler serial number, the fault you're experiencing, a site reference such as the first line of the customer's address, and an address where you would like the part to be sent to. This can either be your work base or the customer's address. Some items, such as the PCB and the pump, we would request to have sent back to us for further testing and improvement. You can either send this directly to ourselves with the serial number of the boiler that it has come from for reference, or we can arrange DPD to come collect the item at a date and location of your choosing. Thank you for watching.